My name's Hughes and I run an organisation called Same But Different. We use the arts such as photography, film and written narratives so that we can create impact for positive social change. What matters most is an exhibition that we've created through my own personal experience. In 2020 my mum died and unfortunately it was a really difficult experience. My sister described it as my mum having to go through it on her own because we spent so much time on the phone trying to get support. Me and my sisters realised that, we were three very capable people and yet we found it very difficult. It made me think, how do other people cope? How do people who are dying on their own cope, or how do people who aren't as capable manage to navigate the system? So what we wanted to do was ask the question, what matters most? We spoke to people who were terminally ill, people who were carers, and also healthcare professionals all around the subject of dying. Dying's a discussion that people don't often really want to talk about. And we wanted to talk about it at the heart of Welsh Government, because without these conversations, how do we actually make sure that change happens? And how do we make sure that the support and services are there when you need them? Whilst end-of-life care and dying is a difficult subject, it doesn't always have to be negative. And what we found through doing this project is actually the joy and the support that you can also find when you have that community around you.